Apache 6, this is Patriot 1-6. Troops in contact along Route Gold.
The increasing operating weight of today's helicopters can limit maneuverability at altitudes and temperature above 4,000 feet and 95 degrees. These hot and high conditions reduce range, increase fuel burn, and require extra power. Designed to support complex and demanding requirements in austere environments, the GE3000 turboshaft engine aims at increasing operational range by 25%, helping aircraft reach further than ever before. The GE3000, enabling helicopters to provide the reconnaissance and firepower when warfighters need it most.